you've been looking for the perfect home to downsize into and retire in, I've got something beautiful to show you today. Less than 1 year new and loaded with desirable features, exquisite finishes, and high-end appliances and window coverings throughout the home. Fully finished, offering 3 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, in-floor heating in the lower level as well as all tiled areas in the main, a 2-car garage, and situated in Paris with quick proximity to highways 401 and 403. Be sure to check this video right through to the end. And if you like what you see or have a friend or family member who might, be sure to give Ryan a ring or reach out to your realtor today.